Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new installment of your Pharmacy Assistant. On this occasion, we would talk about what it is used for and how it is used. So let's take a look.
Hey everyone, how are you? Today I want to talk to you about Irbesartan with hydrochlorothiazide, a medicine used to control high blood pressure, also known as hypertension. Hypertension is a very common condition, and it's important to keep it under control to avoid serious problems like heart attacks or stroke. Irbesartan with hydrochlorothiazide is like a 2-for-1 deal because it combines two medicines, Irbesartan, which blocks the action of a substance that tightens blood vessels, and hydrochlorothiazide, which helps the body get rid of excess salt and water. Together, they are a powerful team. Normally, your doctor will recommend this medicine if other options haven't given the expected results. It is mainly used to treat hypertension, but it can also protect the kidneys in people with type 2 diabetes. For this medicine to work well, it is very important that you follow the doctor's instructions exactly. The starting dose is usually 1 pill a day, but it may change depending on how you respond to the treatment. It is best to take it at the same time every day, preferably in the morning. Like any medicine, it can have side effects. Some of the most common are dizziness, tiredness, or muscle cramp. But if you notice something more serious, like difficulty breathing or swelling, seek medical help immediately. It is important to remember that you should not take this medicine if you are allergic to any of its ingredients or if you have serious liver or kidney problems. Also, tell your doctor about any other medicines or supplements you are taking to avoid interactions. In short, Irbesartan with hydrochlorothiazide is a good option to control hypertension, but you should always take it carefully and follow your doctor's recommendations. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask. Thanks for listening. Take good care of yourselves and stay informed about your health.
If you've made it this far, let us know in the comments why you're using this medicine.